She-Hulk, also known as Jennifer Walters, woke up with a smile on her face. She was a superhero with a green, strong heart. "Good morning, sunshine," her friend Nick said, knocking gently on her door. "Morning, Nick," She-Hulk replied, opening the door. "Ready for another super day?" "You bet." Nick cheered, and they both ran off to save the day. First, they helped a cat stuck in a tree. She-Hulk climbed up gently, with her mighty strength, and saved the cat. The cat's owner was so grateful, he gave them both a big hug. Next, they helped a little girl who lost her balloon. She-Hulk used her super hearing to find the balloon, high up in a tall building. The little girl jumped into She-Hulk's arms, laughing with joy. After that, they helped an old man who couldn't reach a high shelf. She-Hulk reached up, pulled down the item, and handed it to the old man. He thanked them with a warm smile. Finally, they helped a puppy who got stuck in a drain pipe. She-Hulk squeezed through the small opening, found the puppy, and brought it back to safety. The puppy wagged its tail, showing its gratitude. As the sun set, She-Hulk and Nick sat down, enjoying a well-deserved ice cream. "What a super day," Nick said, licking his ice cream. "Yes, it was," She-Hulk agreed, smiling. "But remember, being a superhero isn't just about saving the day. It's about helping others and making them happy." "That's right," Nick said. "And we did a great job today." She-Hulk winked at Nick, and they finished their ice cream, ready for the next super day. The end.